This client is actually a good friend of mine. They bought this house in Toronto and they hired me as soon as my client got pregnant and brought me on to do this amazing nursery. This space, believe it or not, was a walk-in closet. So first order of business is we took out all of those closets and started with this clean blank canvas. I didn't know if it was a boy or a girl. They wanted it to be a surprise, which is so fun. So it's a complete gender neutral nursery. Our starting point was this amazing wallpaper. We worked with a textile design company based in Paris and custom designed this print. We were able to give them the measurements of the wall and blow out the scale of all of these animals. As you'll see throughout the nursery, there's a lot of elephants, and we were able to place the elephant directly over the crib, which was a lot of fun. It had these black silhouettes, but these dots of color that I knew in the curtain, in the art, in other elements of the room that we'd be able to tie in these colors. From the root of the wallpaper, it's all animal-based. We have the Eames elephant that we sourced. And then also we have a papier-mâché elephant that we sourced. And what's really cool about it, it's handmade from children in Haiti from recycled paper and recycled wire. So it was so lovely to also support that at the same time. When designing this room, we wanted it to grow in with the child. We didn't want something that we were going to be sick of after 6 months. And we also really wanted to play with some of the natural woods against the existing dark floors. So we used a lot of light wood, some natural oak in the side table, just to keep it a really natural, light, airy space. We really wanted to maximize the square footage in this room. So we were able to put the change table against one wall and the crib against another wall. And we really wanted to keep the floor clean. So we used these gorgeous acrylic ledges to put the books on the wall, which is great because you know with little kids, they can keep books all over the floor all the time. Some of the playful elements that we brought in were the mobile. So again, it's got a lot of those little colored dots. And then we also brought in some of the baskets from Pehr, based here in Toronto, with some animal prints, some big bold colors that just keep it really playful and fun. One of the last pieces that we found is here from Hollis, Cluny, based in Toronto, and it's this hook. And again, we just felt like it was the final piece to bring in these elements of color, but in a subtle way, using the black and the yellow and the reds. I absolutely love designing nurseries. I just feel that they're a little bit less serious than a dining room, you know, so you can just have a lot of fun with them. It was so great to work with an old friend. I feel like even more than just working with someone that you don't know, you can really bounce some ideas back and forth. And also having similar tastes really helps as well.